Do you want to be happy? I got something for you. What will make your life happier? I decided to make a big change. I decided that I don't want to just create an art. I would like to do a little bit more. I don't want to be an artist. I would like to be a person who helps you with the art, helps you feel better. I would like to create something what sparks you up, makes you happy just a little bit, because I feel we all of us need a dose of happiness to remind ourselves, yes, let's be happy. Something quick, like a quick dose, quick spark. So I'm here, and I think that with creating an art and you looking and watching me creating art will lift you up in your moods. You will feel happier. That my art with my motivational quote will make you feel happier. Hopefully it does. My name is Lenka and welcome in my weekly dose of happiness, healing through art. Did you know that actually art and happiness are much closer, much than you actually ever thought? So let's crack on. I done my textures. My husband, he asked me like, what you doing? And I said, I don't know. So I created my stencil and it's called Power of Letting Go. Why did I do that? That's a good question. Why? I wanted to create a painting which will spark your life, which you will put on the wall and you will think, why is imperfection so important? How this perfectionism is hold us back, how it's ruining us. We need to let it go. Power of letting go. I hope watching this video will make you feel that you little bit let go something, made you remember that it is important to do let go. And it is your biggest power inside you, which you can just create right now. I created my painting and you can create your imperfection. Focus how great you are. Because you let go something. Let me know, how did it go? And how did you feel? I done first layer of my painting. I tried to capture the power and the imperfection, which actually is beautiful. But you know what, guys? When I done that, my phone got funny. And I didn't record making it. Ooh, I know. So let's look what I've done. So I just tried to implement the texture. I tried to add tones and add the word power of letting go and imperfection. So let's continue with this project. And fingers crossed that now my camera will not let me down. Fingers crossed. So I've got my beautiful, which I would like somehow to incorporate. So let's go. this is my final picture of power of letting go, power of imperfection. This is my interpretation, and I loved and enjoyed the journey which we done together when I tested myself about my own imperfection and pain of let it go. So I hope you love it. If you enjoyed it, let me know, and join me, don't forget, join me next week for another dose of your happiness. Let's do it again. See you then.